This is Matt, and this is a short video on how many communities can you have on Kajabi. So I'm right here in the communities section on my Kajabi. So we have the sidebar right here, we've got dashboard, we've got products. You're going to click on products and then community, and you will see any existing communities that you might already have. So just for the purposes of this video, I'll show you kind of the basics of how to create a community. But the main point of this video is just to let you know that depending on your membership level, you have a different number of communities. If you have the basic plan currently with Kajabi, you get 3 communities, but they also have what's called access groups, which I've just clicked on here, and you can actually have unlimited access groups for each community. So if you want to use, I've just got this default one here for test group. If you wanted to have some segmentation going on, maybe you have audience that you want to style certain products to or certain courses to within your Kajabi setup, you could kind of segment it by having multiple access groups doing different things, promoting different things. We can click there on create an access group, and we can start to name them. So you would name them appropriately based on, let's just create one here. So maybe I've got promotional right here, which would be different to the other one. So we just click on continue. So you can start your group as a page group or as a free group. Page, you'll just go through the usual stuff. So you'll enter a price point here, like maybe this is $100 per month. Payment type, it could be a one-time payment. You can do subscription billing, so monthly or weekly. You can do the payment plan, the one-time payment, or the free, which just brings you back to this one. So I'll just show you free right here. So we're going to click on save and finish. And just like that, we have added a new access group. So you'll see when you click on access groups, you'll see that we have 2 right here. So important thing to know, you can have unlimited access groups. That is the small segmented groups that I've created right here that will see different things within your community based on the settings that you use. But for the purposes of this video, just know that depending on your Kajabi membership level, and they do change things with the memberships all the time. Kajabi are kind of like that. They're often changing what you actually get with different memberships. Currently, right now on the basic plan, you get 3. That is just 3 communities. So I'll show you quickly the community. If I click on go to community, that will open up this community that I've just been kind of fiddling around with right here. You can start to customize things. You can start to edit the page. You can add a cover photo right here for the page. We can actually change the title right here. We can do challenges, meetups, leaderboard. You can even schedule posts here, so super helpful. But for the purposes of this video, you can have 3 communities currently with the basic Kajabi plan. You have more with the higher paid plans, and you can have unlimited access groups. If you want to segment your audience, you can do that with access groups, and those are unlimited per community. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.